All right, guys, little tip of the day. If you guys are in the market to consider replacing your hardwood, look how expensive this is, guys. We can save your floors for a fraction of this cost. Whether if you have wax in your floors, like orange glow, mop glow, things like that, we can remove it without the expensive cost of replacement. Just look at that, guys. 409, 508, 690, and that's just for the material. That doesn't include installation or the removal of your existing floors. Guys, it can get pretty expensive, you know, anywhere from $15 to $25 a square foot. And we charge $3 a square foot just to remove the wax, $1.50 to clean and buff, $2.50 to screen and recoat, and $1.50 to clean. Compared to these prices, guys, think about that. And this is hardwood flooring. More hardwood flooring over here. Look at the guys. $5.19. Again, take another $5 to install, another $5 to remove. There's already a $15 square foot, guys. $6.79. So yeah, guys, just a little education there. And this is just for the material. I always educate you guys. It's easy. It's easier and cheaper to maintain your floors and restore them than it is to replace. And especially if you have solid hardwood, we can always usually screen and recoat it and revive it, or even sand it. Even if it's you know, 3/4 thick or 3/8 thick. 3/4 we can sand it up to 5 times, so that's a good rule of thumb. 3/8 we could probably get by with 1 time. Engineered, you're just out of luck. Only thing you can do with that is screen and recoat it. You cannot sand it. But yeah, guys, that's a little tip of the day. Compared to $5.29 for material. This is pre-finished, by the way. Pre-finished, you know, it does scratch easier than if we were to do it on site. On site means we're getting the raw material, we're getting the raw wood, and we're gonna sand it and finish it and stain it and refinish it on site. So we basically get a raw material, sand it down, and do it on site. We can essentially manipulate the polyurethane and add our own aluminum oxide to make it more durable. And that's usually going to be your best bet. That's what I advise and recommend. Otherwise, if you have this pre-finished stuff that comes, you know, pre-finished from the factory, basically they just take this wood, they do a thin layer of urethane aluminum oxide, UV it, and then throw it in a box. And yeah, we're always refinishing and fixing these kind of floors within the first 3 to 5 years. So this does not last. We do recommend doing on-site if you have the opportunity, and we do recommend that. So again, a lot of these too are coming in satin and matte finishes. Rarely do I see any semi-gloss or gloss. You can just see just the matte. See how it's just like matte? You got more of a satin there, but just they're coming to more matte, guys. Matte seems to be the style. Of course, we can do that for you. Some of these are just ultra matte, like you don't even see a protection, but it still is protected. So all right, guys, so that little tip of the day. If you guys are in the market, before you replace your floors, let AO restore it. We can save you a lot of money, especially if you already have flooring there. You don't have to worry about the hassle of replacing it or installing it. We just restore and maintain what you got there currently. So yeah, guys, little tip of the day. Save money and give us a call. AO, let's go. So we got vinyl, we got hardwood, and we got LVTs. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching.